If you are looking for a powerful AI model that can compete with GPT-5 and Cloudy while costing much less, you have probably heard about Kimi K3. But is it actually worth using in 2026? Here's everything you need to know in under 3 minutes. What is Kimi K3? Kimi K3 is the latest large language model from Moonshot AI, a Chinese AI company known for building high performance models. It is designed for a wide range of tasks, including coding, writing, research, math, data analysis, AI agents, and automation. One of its biggest selling points is that it delivers premium level performance while keeping API costs significantly lower than many leading competitors. Key features. Here are the highlights: excellent coding capabilities with support for multiple programming languages, strong reasoning for solving complex problems and following multi step instructions, large context window allowing it to process long documents and conversations, fast response times for both chat and API usage, supports AI agent workflows and tool calling, making it useful for automation projects. Available through API with integration into several AI platforms and developer tools. Overall, Kimi K3 is built for both everyday users and developers who need reliable AI performance. Performance. In real world use, Kimi K3 performs very well. It generates clean code, writes natural content, summarizes long documents accurately, and handles logical reasoning with impressive consistency. Compared with GPT-5 and Cloudy, Kimi K3 is competitive in coding and reasoning while often being much more affordable through its API. That said, GPT-5 still tends to have an advantage in overall accuracy, broader knowledge, and polished responses, while Cloudy remains one of the best choices for analyzing extremely long documents. Pricing. Pricing and is it worth it? One of Kimi K3's biggest advantages is pricing. Its API is considerably cheaper than many premium AI models, making it an attractive option for developers, startups, and businesses that need to keep AI costs under control. If you are building AI applications, automations, or coding assistance, Kimi K3 offers excellent value for money. Final verdict. So is Kimi K3 worth it in 2026? The answer is yes, especially if you are looking for a powerful, affordable AI model for coding, reasoning, and automation. If you want the absolute best all around conversational experience, GPT-5 still leads, but if budget matters and you need excellent performance, Kimi K3 is one of the strongest AI models available today. If this review helped you, do not forget to like the video, subscribe, and check out our other AI reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching and goodbye.